What should a driver who may have had too much alcohol to drink before getting behind the wheel, what should that driver do if police in Michigan pull him or her over? Well, let's say that our hypothetical driver has stayed calm and been polite. The driver is probably submitted to the field sobriety tests and did her best. The driver probably took the preliminary breath test and the police officer got an immediate result. At this point, the process is out of the driver's hands. If the officer thinks that there is probable cause, the officer will arrest the driver. What advice could a lawyer give the driver now? Well, understand that once arrested, due process protects the driver in some specific ways. First, the driver has a right to remain silent. Anything the driver says or writes can be used against her. The driver should exercise her right to remain silent. The driver must be careful to protect this right. The driver might inadvertently waive a right by volunteering information to the police, even after the driver initially invoked her right to remain silent. So be careful. It is easy to inadvertently volunteer information. Second, the driver has the right to bring in a lawyer to assist the driver when the police attempt to interrogate her. However, a driver must invoke this right to an attorney. The police may reapproach a suspect who remains silent. However, the police may not reapproach a suspect who remains silent and who invokes her right to remain silent until her lawyer is present. Again, be careful. It's easy to inadvertently volunteer information. Therefore, our hypothetical driver should protect her right against self-incrimination by politely telling the police that she will not answer questions without her attorney present. Then, our driver should not answer questions or volunteer information without her attorney being present. She should not inadvertently undermine her case, her innocence, with a careless remark that may be interpreted in a way that she didn't intend. Once arrested, we don't have to agree to talk. A good Michigan lawyer can help a driver accused of drunk driving understand the potential effects of what he or she said after an arrest. Even if a driver inadvertently undermined his or her case with careless words, it may be possible for a lawyer to help the driver mitigate the effects of what the driver said after the fact.